Today I am talking about carbon footprint. A carbon footprint refers to the total amount of greenhouse gases emitted into the atmosphere as a result of human activities, either directly or indirectly. These gases include carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and other emissions that contribute to the climate change and global warming. The carbon footprint is typically measured in the units of carbon dioxide equivalent to amount of the varying global warming potentials of different gases. Everyday action such as driving cars, using electricity, heating homes, manufacturing goods, consuming food, and generating waste contribute to an individual's or organization's carbon footprint. Even the production and transportation of product and services involves emissions that are considered part of a broader carbon footprint. Understanding and calculating a carbon footprint helps identify major emission sources and enables the adoption of strategies to reduce them. These strategies may include switching to renewable energy, improving energy efficiency, using public transport, reducing meat consumption, and recycling waste. Reducing a carbon footprint is essential in mitigating climate change, as lower emissions lead to a decreased concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Collectively, these efforts play a vital role in achieving global climate targets and promoting environmental sustainability. The role of biogas plant in reducing carbon footprint. Biogas plants play a vital role in reducing the carbon footprint by transforming organic waste into clean, renewable energy while preventing the emission of harmful greenhouse gases. Through anaerobic digestion, biogas plants capture methane, a greenhouse gas significantly more potent than carbon dioxide that would otherwise be emitted during the natural decomposition of organic waste in landfills or open environments. This captured methane is then utilized as biogas for cooking, electricity generation, and fuel, efficiently replacing fossil fuels and reducing overall carbon emissions. By diverting food waste, organic residues, and animal manure from traditional disposal methods, biogas plants promote sustainable waste management and significantly cut emissions from both waste and energy sector. Additionally, the byproduct of the process called bioslurry can be used as organic fertilizer, reducing dependence on chemical fertilizers that are energy intensive to produce and contribute to nitrous oxide emissions. In rural and urban settings alike, biogas technology empowers communities to manage waste efficiently, lower energy cost, and transition to cleaner energy sources. By reducing emissions from multiple sources, waste, energy, and agriculture, biogas plants contribute meaningfully to shrinking the overall carbon footprint. Their integration into climate action strategies supports the broader goal of achieving environmental sustainability and net zero emissions. Thank you.